Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. When I say professional makeup artist, I have been lucky enough to work on projects like Netflix, Amazon Prime. I've shot for Modern Love, Dhamaka promo, Daswi promo, Boost with IPL cricketers. I've even shot for HDFC Bank. I have shot for Squid Games and a lot more. If you want to check out my page, then I will leave a link of my website in the description box below. Now moving on, my channel is all about skincare, makeup content, beauty content, lifestyle content. If that is something that you're interested in or you just like hanging out with me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're here to talk about this anti-aging cream. This is from Saturn by GHC. Before we get into the serum, we're going to talk a little bit about the brand first. Now regarding the brand, they have a section which is called Mars by GHC, that is a men's wellness section, and they have a Saturn by GHC which is a women's wellness section. Now this brand not only contains products that are related to your skincare and hair care products, but they also contain products which are related to wellness. Now for example, they even have products for like menstrual problems and weight problems. However, if you're ever confused about what you should use and if you ever want advice, they also have a free consultancy on their site. So you can obviously get in touch, you can leave in your number and they get in touch with you free of cost. Now talking about the serum, it's a little bit runny. It's got this really strong smell which I personally do not like, but I don't mind it is because once you apply the serum, it just disappears in seconds, so it's not a lingering fragrance, so that's a good thing. The serum did not give me any discomfort, it did not give me any tingling feeling when I first applied it, but it's always again good to do a patch test before you apply anything new in any skincare or makeup. It's always better to do a patch test.
This serum contains retinol that helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Then it has hyaluronic acid, helps add moisture to the skin. Arginine helps hydrate and helps your skin firm, plump and smooth. Niacinamide helps treatment of inflammation and pigmentation. And lastly, vitamin C, which helps with brightening and hyperpigmentation.
In terms of how it feels on your skin, once it's applied and dried, it feels a little sticky. So what I do is usually I apply a nice enriching face oil or like probably a face cream on top of my face. When it's just the serum itself, it feels like something sitting on your skin, which I personally do not like, but I have dry skin, so it could be totally different for a person with combination skin or oily skin type. Now I'm going to quickly talk about two amazing tools that were sent to me by Saturn. One is this Gua Sha and one is this Jade roller. So you may ask what is the difference between two and what are they used for, which I will quickly share with you. The Jade roller is majorly for relaxing and depuffing, and it's like the easiest tool to use from both of them. However, the Gua Sha is more for sculpting. It also helps in circulation, lymphatic drainage, and even relieving tension, which I can actually feel it, especially when you use it on your pressure points and you apply it with your creams and you do the process properly. It is so relaxing. I can vouch for it. Now if you're confused which one you should go for, the Gua Sha or the Jade roller, I'll tell you a few deciding factors that you could use. So with the Gua Sha, the thing is that you have to give it 10 minutes minimum with your skincare. So if you have that kind of time, and you'll have to learn a few techniques of how to use it, so if you have that time, then I think you should go for this. But if you don't, if you want something that you can use for 2-3 minutes and you're done, you should go for the Jade roller. One more thing I feel that you should consider is that with the Gua Sha, you need to apply more pressure. With the Jade roller, you need to apply a little bit of lesser pressure. Now, people with acne or active acne should avoid the Gua Sha, because I'm telling this out of personal experience also. So I didn't know I had a pimple here, and I ended up using this Gua Sha, and now I'm left with a mark over here. I hope it's visible, but yeah, it's a big mark. So out of my personal experience, I don't think you should, a person with acne prone skin or something, use it, because you'll end up scarring. However, this is a much better deal because you can control the pressure. Now, in case you're wondering what is the best time to use an anti-aging serum, it is honestly always better to use an anti-aging serum before you see signs of aging, because that in turn helps delay the process. Once the lines are there and stuff, it's a little difficult to erase it completely. So that, until and unless you want to go for procedures. Alright, you guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you all have, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my new one.